get down from here? I'll have to stay up here forever and ever. Pip! Oh!
Woozle, where are you?
Oh!
Woozle, what are you doing up there?
Pip, help! I'm too afraid to come down.
Hold on real tight, Woozle. I'll go and get some help. Neighbour Cat, Woozle's made a big mistake.
Aww.
Woozle is stuck in the tall tree and he doesn't know how to get down. We need to help him.
In the tall tree? Woozle! Oh, okay, I'm coming. Meow. Hey, Woozle! Only cats are meant to climb tall trees. Dogs aren't good climbers.
Stop teasing him, Neighbour Cat. You were supposed to help him.
Meow.